I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and that you have a recent backup. This protects purchases and settings. Once done, make sure any active subscriptions are canceled or paused, and your Apple ID has 0 store credit, because leftover credit blocks region changes. Next, open Settings and tap your name. This is where the region control lives. You do these checks first to avoid interrupted services and failed region updates, so don't skip them. You now perform the change. Open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and View Account. Authenticate if prompted. Once there, choose Country/Region and pick the destination country. This updates the App Store and content availability. You must enter a payment method and billing address that match the new country. Otherwise, the change fails. If you rely on family sharing, pause it first because organizer region changes can impact family members. Make sure to read and accept the terms to proceed. Finish by signing out of the App Store and signing back in so purchases and subscriptions refresh with the new region. You should reinstall region-specific apps and verify recurring subscriptions, since some services may change availability. If something goes wrong, check that store credit is 0 and all subscriptions are canceled. If the device still blocks the change, collect error messages and contact Apple support for account logs. One tip: toggling a restart often clears temporary glitches before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.